Good morning. I am awake at 2:30. Yeah, I'm hungry. I made some of these like marinated eggs. I don't know if you guys have this before. Pre-made rice from like a couple of days ago. I have this trio of vegetables. These are pickled onions. Delicious. These are pickled purple cabbage. Amazing. I have this chive kimchi. And I'm trying to be a little bit more healthier. Like some seaweed. I like to take a couple. Take just a tiny bit of rice. And I take a little bit of natto. So, yes. These eggs in here. Perfectly jammy, guys. A little bit of onions. When you eat it like this, you can't really taste the natto. So much fiber. If you guys know, seaweed is fiber. Rice and eggs for the protein. Natto has plenty of probiotic, vitamins, and protein. A little bit of carbs.